Okay, you guys, so this is going to be a quick video on how to can turkey because I've done it before, but I'm just going to show you. So I've got 2 of these huge breasts, and it's probably only going to get maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 jars out of it. And I've got some clean pint jars that I'm going to use. They are all washed and ready and hot. So I'm going to chunk them up and then show you how to can it and the before and after. Okay, so here are the chunks of turkey, and I'm gonna start filling the jars. Okay, so we got 4 jars of turkey. So I am going to vinegar the rims, and for meat, it's the same process. You put it in the jars like this. I am going to use my debubbler to get all of this down, because there's some holes right here, and then vinegar, and put the lids on and set it aside and put it in my canner, pressure canner. These are going to go in for 75 minutes. If you want to do meat in quarts, it's for 90 minutes. It's the same process, and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, the turkey is in the canner, and the timer has been started. Okay, jars are coming out. Yay, there's one. Okay. Look at that. That looks so good. So happy. 4 jars of turkey. And yes, we did use 4 jars canning lid. So if you guys want a great discount for the 4 jars canning lid that I have used for the last 2 years now with no fails, go to 4jars.com and use Nana10 for a 10% discount. There you guys go. 4 jars with 4 jars lids, and perfect headspace and nice bubbling. No siphoning, you guys. Perfect headspace. Look at that. They came out so good. Looks amazing. Let's look at these. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be linking the full 2 videos that I did last year to the full tutorial for canning turkey breast, making turkey stock, the whole thing that I did. So this is a pretty short video, but thanks for watching, you guys, and the word of the day is turkey. So I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. We are very thankful for each and every one of you, and thank you for watching.